In this video, I'm going to show you how to pair a sensor to the Promata MataT2 tire pressure monitoring system. As you can see, I am missing a sensor in this position. I will take a new sensor that hasn't been paired, and I will enter sensor pairing mode by pressing the set button 5 times. The left front tire position will start flashing. Now, I hold the right button until I hear a beep. PA will flash on the screen. PA for pairing. Now I can select which position I want to pair this sensor to. So I will select with the right button this position. Once I have selected the appropriate position, I will take the sensor and move it on top of the set button. When you hear a beep and see the pressure appear on the screen, it's 0 now because there is no pressure on the sensor. Once that happens, you can press the right button to select another tire sensor to pair. Just simply place another sensor on top and the same thing will happen. Once you've finished, just hold the set button until you exit. As you can see, we successfully paired the new sensor onto the right-hand side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a sensor. First, ensure the display is on and press the set button 5 times to enter into sensor pairing mode. You will see the left front sensor position flashing. Now, select which tire you want to delete. For example, I'll just select this one. Once you finish selecting, hold the left button until you hear a beep. You will see del for delete flash on the screen. To delete this, short press the set button once. But if you want to cancel, just press the right button. Since we want to delete this, I will press the set button once. You can now choose another sensor position to delete the pairing. But if you want to exit, just hold the set button until you hear 2 beeps. As you can see, we have successfully deleted this sensor.